Hey, hi. This video is really excited one for me because a lot of people have been asking, can you please quickly tell how do you build a beautiful website and how do you maintain the speed of the website and what are the ways that we can do it quickly, easily. So I wanted to just do it right now in this video, and I also wanted to review a product for you guys in this video, and I wish that particular product is also really helpful for us to build a website. So quickly, to understand what is domain name and what is hosting in next 2 minutes, just see this particular whiteboard which I'm just presenting to you. Let's understand what is domain name and hosting. Domain name and hosting is a place where you actually host your domain. Okay, you do a party, like you are a host and you take a guest. So exactly, you will give a space, right? So let's also take some other examples. Like if I have a piece of land and I want to make a home in it, like I am building a website. So for building this website, I have to have a place, as simple as that. So exactly, this place is called hosting, and this particular house is called website creation. Okay, and you will have a name for it, then that is called domain name, as simple as that. So why I'm keeping it clearly in the place of making you understand is, you will have a lot of servers and hosting your website, right? So different types of server, what kind of server you choose, and how do you host. So let's take a bit more example. Like you have a piece of land, let's say example, and you are sharing it with 4 people, and each one is building their place home accordingly, like this. And if this is a piece of land, it's been shared by 4 5 people, then what is exactly it's called? You're sharing your land, that's for shared hosting. Exactly, a lot of websites share a server space, then they are buying a shared hosting. And in shared hosting also, we have different plans like Linux, Windows plans, and we will go with Linux when it is WordPress kind of a website. So WordPress is a CMS is nothing but content management system, wherein building the website in this particular technology is really very easy. It's just a drag and drop, and it's very simple, and it's a free organization. It's an open source, and it's like an NGO, which is no, no just to give an example, it's a organization which is giving you a service of having a backend code, and you can build beautiful websites with this particular WordPress. So in Windows, if you go, there are something like .NET kind of or React JS, and you have core PHP kind of websites also. They build in this particular OS, that is Windows OS. So Linux OS and Windows OS are two different plans generally when we choose. But to not get confused with all this, I have a website which I wanted to present to you, and I wanted to tell you how is that you buy a hosting and domain name in this particular website. And I love this website because the presentation on this website is really awesome. So let's get started, and let me present you the website, and let's uh, get ourselves a lot of knowledge now. So so let me show you this. Okay, so let's get to this website called sitecountry.com. So generally, when we choose a domain name, there are certain rules that how do you choose a domain name, and how is that you have to choose a hosting plan and things like that. I will do a separate video on how to choose a domain name, because it's a different subject altogether. It's creative, and how beautiful it should be. But I wanted to talk to you about this particular hosting right now in this website itself, and how do you choose a plan accordingly. So as I told you, shared hosting is you share the hosting with different websites. Dedicated hosting is you are having a website for your own self, and you will be having another kind of a website which is a VPN. That is completely when you have a lot of people coming in, there is so much of traffic coming in, then you will have a VPN network. And you have another site, that is another kind of a hosting, that is cloud hosting. That is generally you see AWS and a lot of cloud hosting, where so much of data is there, transactions is there, a lot of traffic every day. There are more than 1 lakh traffic coming in on your website, then you will go for cloud hosting. And based on the traffic, based on the transactions, based on the load speed, these website hostings are being chosen. So let's get started with a few things in this site country website. The part which I love about this is it is not having too many things to confuse us. It's very clear, crisp. Like public cloud, premium cloud, elite cloud, VIP cloud, reseller cloud. So a lot of websites are there. Like you have Hostinger, you have so many other sites like HostGator, you have Bluehost, you have SiteGround, and these websites are also selling hosting. But what is the beautiful part about Site Country is that it's actually not confusing you with many plans. It's having 5 plans, and firstly the 4 which are really important. And resell cloud is something that you have multiple sites and you want multiple hostings for each site separately, then you will go for reseller, which we will not concentrate on, but we will talk about these plans and these things. And you have domains here, that is buying domains directly, like you do it on GoDaddy or anything. And when you buy a domain and hosting at one place, it's certainly easy task for you, because you need not change the name servers to enroute it to the domain. So when you have server buying from site country and you have domain bought from GoDaddy, the domain name should be integrated with your web hosting service. This two process, again you have to change the name servers generally. That's how it happens. So to avoid that, we can always have domains and hosting buying at same place. Okay, so let's get into the details of hosting now, of hosting plans of this company. But before I go to that, I also wanted to cover the 3 other tabs, that is company. So this company is, know as better. It's really telling site country versus hosting there, what is great, and fast comment, and then site ground and GoDaddy. What is beautiful about this is it is talking about its competitor right away on the better page, like knowing us about. And you have the wonderful support. This particular website has the best support, I'm telling you. Just on a click, it's going to answer everything, and the best part is yet to come. I'll show about this. So let's go to public cloud and understand what it is. Blasting fast hosting to get you started. So if it is a public hosting, what happens is it's a low cost and you will have multiple server locations available: India, USA, and Europe. And you have 3 different plans in this, that is seed, hosting, and sapling, and tree. So seed is for small, okay, small, like 10 GB storage you have, and you have WordPress manager. You can download the software directly, and you have WordPress manager directly by site country, and free SSL and CDN, and one email account. That is example, let's say support at the rate your website name.com, like let's say minus DiginomaD.in. So let's say support at the rate, only one email ID I can create like that, and free migration can be given. Sapling is like you have you can have 25 GB of SSD storage. That is, the storage is a bit higher, and you can host 3 websites in this. And you can have same other features also, like WordPress manager, free SSL, and CDN. The beautiful part which I liked about is integration of SSL and CDN in the site countries, very fast. Like on a click it happens. Generally in other sites which I see, you have to submit your SSL certificate with a lot of process. Like you will have to give them your certificate IA code, and then regenerate it, then apply for it, then you will get approval, and later you will have to see the SSL here. So to be honest, if I have to talk about your SSL, that's nothing but the security. SSL is security. Whenever there's a transactions which are happening, to avoid your website to be hacked from your hackers, or to have that control on your website, you will have to have this lock symbol and SSL, that is HTTPS, need to be there. Generally we have a website name without HTTPS, then it's like you not have a security. So that is SSL. And next is the beautiful part about it is tree. It is like you have 5 websites and 50 GB of storage, and WordPress manager, free SSL and CDN, 10 email accounts, and free migration has been given. That's another beautiful thing. So these are the 3 websites, these are the 3 plans under this particular super fast low cost public cloud hosting. It's something kind of a shared hosting which I have observed, and literally awesome. If you're a beginner, you can go with public cloud also. And if you're a premium cloud, this is for the best performance, like secure, fast, and affordable. This is also having our multiple server locations in India, Singapore, USA, and Europe. So if I have to talk about light, pro, and turbo, these are the three plans which are there. It's a bit costlier because it's kind of a dedicated hosting. You will have a super performance on your website, and you'll have a lot of more space and big gram, and you have free domain also given to you in this. Like, that's really awesome. If you have a domain name, and you can also get a free domain, and you can check the light plan, pro plan, and turbo plan on this. It's a bit costlier, but for dedicated service, you want it on this, and you are getting this on a sale for Holy, and also you are getting it on a sale with a great offers here. When it is mentioned 46% is, you are saving a lot of things. So you can buy it for a year, and you will also have a multiple server locations for this. Let's go to the other plan, Elite Cloud. Elite Cloud is scalable high performance plan, where you have the best RAM, and then you will have SSD unlimited for all the plans, startup, business, and enterprise. You have CPU cores 3, 4, and 8, and you have bandwidth unlimited. You have premium CDN quota, 100 GB to 200 GB and 300 GB, and a lot of premium antivirus things, and nightly offsite backups. That is awesome, actually giving a backup, and free SSL certificate has been given. This is like amazing for people who wants to get a e-commerce website and high transaction websites. Apart from blogging, just if you have so many people coming on your news site also, this is one of the best things, because the RAM speeds are really awesome. And I have a light host planning with this people, and I'm really enjoying it. The best part about this is the speed of the site is really awesome. So let's also see and check about it. We will get into that. So you have a very good business model, then you can go for this. And VIP cloud is, it's like you own your private cloud. Okay, you have not just a server, you own a cloud, and the storage of the cloud is being given exactly like this. And it's not confusing. As I told you, a lot of places when you go, you will not know which plan you have to buy. What, it's sorted for 4 plans, and this 4 plans you can buy any plan. And prices are really awesome. If I have to say, the prices are really great on the site, and it's absolutely Indian. It's absolutely Indian, and I loved it. So this is about the hosting plans, and you can also buy domain in the same place. So let's get started and see about how exactly is my client area, and how do you log in there. Go take a name server, go to the cPanel, how do you download a WordPress, and how do you download a theme. And let's also check the website speed. Just in seconds we will do that. Now let's get into the details of how is that we have to buy a hosting and get into the client area. So let's go to the client area first, because I registered here, and here let me log in with my details like this. Okay, the beautiful thing about this, as I told you, the services are awesome. And when I come to this particular services, I have taken Elite Cloud service. So let me go to this particular website and see what are the access. So when I just go on to the dashboard, and I have my website name here, I just click on this. I can directly get an access to my control panel, wherein I download my WordPress software from the control panel. So there you have the software downloading thing. It's very easy on a click. Let's also go and see that. And here we have something called name servers. So name servers, just I'm clicking on name servers. These are the 2 name servers which I have, and these are the 2 name servers I have to actually put if I am buying a domain from a different site. So let's say domain name from the different site. Like let's say if I'm coming to the GoDaddy, I have my products, all domains. Let me go to the GoDaddy site and show you. So I have my website called digitalmahila.com here, and this particular website is being bought. The name is bought in GoDaddy. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just go to the DNS, manage DNS in GoDaddy. And the moment I go to the DNS records, I have something called name servers. I can change the name servers. I can say I enter my own name servers, and then I can take the name servers from here and just paste it here and save it, so that my website is actually routed to this particular name servers. Number one step is that if you're buying it from there. If you are buying it directly from site country, it's very easy. You will have the own name servers already assigned to your domain name. It's easy when you buy it from site country. So I recommend you to buy your domain and hosting both from site country. And coming back to the point, that is, now let's go to the dashboard, and we will just click on the website. We will go to our control panel. So when I click here to access my control panel, I'll just go here and I have my access ID and password that is already here. The beautiful thing about cPanel control is generally when you go to the other sites, other sites like site country, if you have, this is one of advantage, directly on click you can go to your control panel. And few times you don't remember your cPanel ID password also, it's okay, because you remember your site country's ID and password, that will be fine. So I'll just come directly to this particular thing that is called as WordPress Software Plus Apps Installer. And when I click on Software Plus Apps Installer and I say install WordPress, I can just click on this. I can just choose HTTPS, and SSL is automatically being given to your site countries. Within no time, it will get activated by default generally, because all the plans almost has a inclusive SSL certification, as I told you. And I'll give my mail ID. I'll ensure that this directory is empty, and then I have this particular version, that is the latest version I'm choosing. I need not change this. I can change it anytime in my website also. I have to just ensure that I am having the right admin. Like let's say digitalmahila.com is there, then I'm putting Digital Mahila as my username and password as I feel like, and I'll give an admin email ID, and then I'll come to the advanced options. Again, I'll ensure that everything is been auto upgrade minor versions or upgrade to any latest versions, and then I'll say install. So here, once the install button has been pressed, automatically this website will be saying that congratulations, your website has been installed with Softaculous WordPress software from site country. And it would be very easy. It's a one-step process. So this is how it is. You have to install your site country with your your WordPress with your from your cPanel. Okay, let's get back to the thing, that is, after this has been done, let's get back to this. The moment the software is been downloaded, the beautiful part about this is you can directly go to the WordPress site. That is, you will receive an email of WordPress. That is, you can directly name your website like digitalmahila.com and WP admin. Automatically you will have a ID password portal which comes in. Give your admin ID password which you have created here already. This is the admin ID password which you created here. Remember, after installing, you have to just go give your website name and give your WP admin, give ID and password. Then the moment you will come here, the last steps are coming in. Then I will go to the appearance. I'll just go to the themes, and I will ensure that I am having a beautiful website with a beautiful theme. So I wanted to use Elementor company theme, so I will use Divi. So I have my own tool setup here. So any student who is joining me also, I will be providing these tools in the okay, in the course for free, for multiple access. So I will go to this Divi and then I'll this is affiliate link. Sorry. So let me go here. I'll go to my account. I'll sign in. I'm downloading a theme here. Download Divi theme. Okay, I'm having my theme. So what I'm going to do is I'll upload it here. Okay, so sorry. So I'll just go add new, say upload theme. Then I'll say choose file, or you can drag and drop recents. If you have recently downloaded, you can directly take it, or it's okay. You can directly take this way and just put it here. So I can say install now. Let me wait for it. Unless I know the theme is getting installed, let me wait for it. The moment the theme is getting installed, it should happen next 5 seconds or so. It's taking too long. It's taking too long. So let me choose a file, choose file, and I'll go for recents. I'll go to DB1 here, open it, and I'll try to install this. Okay. It took some time for me to actually find why exactly it's taking its own time to upload. So what I have done is very simple. I went to the uh, access to control panel, and then now I went to the file manager. When I go to the file manager, I find a public HTML file here, public HTML, and I go to the public HTML. Then I can go to the WP content. In WP content, you will have something called themes. I go to the themes. Then here I uploaded my theme. Uploading is just by one click, just upload files, and automatically you can retrieve this. Automatically I find my DB theme here, and when I come back to the website backend of the WordPress, this is how it is. Now I wanted to activate this. I activated it. I will go to the website and just check uh, the website has been installed. Let me also do something like this. I wanted to actually uh, install, use DB Builder to install my complete theme on the website. So let me go and install the complete theme. Okay, and see what's going to be next. Okay, I want to choose a pre-made layout, and I will give a pre-made, use this layout, or I would not give this layout, but definitely I will use from education. Digital Mahila is a marketplace, so I'll use it for technology, and I will see that it's a digital marketing agency, and then I'll use this layout, and then here I'll give my ID password, and then I have my password here, so I shall copy paste that. So let me open up my password. So let me get into that. So I'll go to my account, and then I'll go to my API keys. Yeah, and then I'll get my API key copied, and then I shall go to my website which I'm building right now, and I'll use it and submit it. So automatically, this is how I'm actually installing theme. Now I'm excited to check the speed of the site. So once the installation of the theme is done, automatically the theme is going to get installed, and we will have to check the speed of the site. Only then we can judge the hosting is going really well or not. After designing also, we can keep on checking this. So let me wait and do this. I will have a different tutorial on Divi on this complete thing. So we will anyways do that, and I'll ensure that I'm going to theme customizer. I'll just say save and exit, and then I'll just go here. So theme customizer. I'll go to the home page settings. I'll ensure that it's a static page, and static page is a sample page or a home page, or I'll just create a home page, home, and add a page, home page, and post page is a blog page. So I will just add a new page, that is a blog page. Blog is post, where all the post goes to the blog page. So let me keep in touch this particular thing. I'm using a static page, and this particular static page is firmly for company sites, and blog page is for bloggers, so which will use a latest post. So I'll go to the home page. I'll ensure that exit visual builder. This is my home page. So let me go to the home page, enable visual editor, and let me install a theme. Browse layouts. I'll use an education theme or a technology theme which I already chose, and I'll go for the lab. Home, this one, and I'll use this layout for this. I need not give another time username and password. This is how it is. So I'm saving this. So now I can start editing my website. This is how simple editing can actually happen. So I will save this. After I save this, like this, I have done my website. The beautiful part about this website making is I'm excited to check the page speed. So we will go to page speed insights by Google, page speed insights, Google. I have 3 websites to mention: Google, Pingdom, and GT Metrix. So let's go and give our website name. See the speed of the site to understand the hosting. And then I'll go to pingdom.com. I'll just give the same website name. Pingdom page site. Pingdom.com. Sorry. I'll give the location as India, Asia. So let the running of the test go on. And the beautiful performance is here. 95% on mobile, and again we can analyze for desktop if we want, and we will see this. And A grade, the performance grade is really good. This is how you'll check the hosting and GT Metrix. So when you go to the GT Metrix, You can again use this and try. Let the analysis go on. Generally, it's good that you give your location as server. It's Canada, so we will have to check the sign up, login, and give as Kolkata, India. Automatically, you will have the right output. Let me log in. So it shows 99%, 97% is the performance of the site. So this is really awesome. So now what exactly I wanted to try to make people understand is that the main purpose of building a website is to, in a zap, it should actually happen. So hosting should be the number one thing. Anyways, I'll have a proper WordPress training. Each and every point of WordPress I will be explaining you in detail in coming classes. But that I want you all to try. If you're buying a hosting, then site country, for me, I feel it's really best. So welcome back. I'll just go to the location. I'll go to the location, that is my account, and then I'll come here. I'll put it as Asia Kolkata, Mumbai as default, and then I will ensure that these are all perfectly fine. So now I can go to the GT Metrix plan, and then here I can give my website name which I want to analyze, and automatically the Mumbai, India location I wanted to check. While the checking is going on, you have the best grades here. I really loved it. So for some reason, Page Speed Insights is not able to collect the data, but Pingdom and GT Metrix is doing a great job here already. So when the website is almost ready, this is the primary thing. Now let's come back to the site country. The beautiful part about it is it's on offers, and the speed of the website because of the hosting is really awesome. You can just try out all the offers on this and go for the best elite plans if you are a proper company. And also I wish you to read the documents on this site country website. That is, it clearly talks about let's say site country. If I'm opening up, it talks about the comparison of the other competitors, and I agree that absolutely this is working. 92% is a performance. This is really awesome. So guys, what I wanted to conclude is very clear in this. I love the this particular server very well, and apart from that, I recommend you to get the access which is there in the description below. I have put a link. You can anytime log in, just buy. You will get more discounts using the link which has been listed here in the description. So I would like to stop the sharing, and then I'll tell you, conclude this. So we have understood what is domain, what is hosting, and how a company should be there. If you're buying a hosting, how beautiful it should work. And we have installed the software, and we have installed a theme, and also check the speed. That's how you have to check it. And in the next class, I will explain you how to actually select a domain names, and then again I'll take you through another hosting programs which from site country, how examples of different websites, how is it working if from site country. Apart from that, I will also explain you how exactly you have to build your WordPress posts, pages, how to actually choose themes, where do you get themes, and what are these themes, and bit by bit how do you actually build your website. These are the things which I'm going to cover. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.